Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a review on the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This comes in three different variants. One is rose gold and one is molten gold and another one is a holographic glitter. So if you want to see the review on this, please do continue watching the video. And this is priced at Rs 550 for 6.7 gram of product. And about the packaging, this comes in this plastic packaging which has this transparent lid over. You can actually see the product inside, and this is sturdy, guys. This plastic is sturdy, and this is how the product looks. See how the patterns are? This is really good, and I don't want to ruin this. So this is the packaging, and this is really travel friendly since this has this tight lid. You can actually hear the sound. See, this is really sturdy, guys. And about the formula, the product is finely milled and also buttery soft, and this has chunky glitter particles which doesn't show much when you apply, so that is not a problem. And it does give that wet highlighter look when applied, which I really love. About the staying power, it stays for around 5 to 6 hours, which is normal for an highlighter. And if you set it with a setting spray and then apply, it will stay for even longer. For better application, use your brush or fingers. Don't use sponge or wet sponge. So brush will distribute the product evenly on your skin, and with fingers it does give quite good coverage. I like using brush to apply this product. Now I'll show you the swatch for this, how it looks. I'll show you. So this is how it looks. This is the finger swatch. Now I'll show you the demo and how it looks on my skin. I'm going to use a random brush from Amazon. Just going to take. How it looks on my face. I hope you guys see it. So now with the pros, it has to be definitely the packaging, which is really travel friendly and convenient to use. And next, the formula. This is so good and it glides like a butter on your face, guys. And then it is really affordable and value for money. And with the cons, I really couldn't find any con because this is such a great highlighter if you are looking for some good highlighter. And this is really good than the highlighters which are available in the market right now. So please do get this, and I give this thing 5 stars. I really like this. And that's it, guys. I hope you all like this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will never miss any future updates from my channel. And I see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.